Castworth Ghost watches, and we've got another unboxing. But first, I want to talk about the 3 watches that are already sitting out on the desk. Earlier today, I met up with a good friend of mine who just inherited 3 timepieces from a family member who recently passed away. My condolences go out to the family. My friend had asked me to take a look at these watches, so I was going to give them a once-over, clean them up. We've got a Frédérique Constant Worldtimer in really great condition, a Chronoswis CH 7520 skeletonized watch. I'm going to be doing a little bit of leather work to bring this back up to good wearing condition. Last up, I've got an Aeromatic. It's just a quartz watch here. He likes the look of it. Gonna pop a new battery in it. And now to the unboxing. This is coming in from Kevin at Wrong Time Watch. Check out his channel up here. He just did a review, I believe, on this watch, which is, yes, the Undone Urban Hybrid Mechanical Quartz Chronograph. It's supposed to have a really cool dial. Oh yeah, and here we go. It's that beautiful fume dial. No Timegrapher test on this, as it is a Seiko Mecha Quartz. For this video, let's get some watches on the Timegrapher though. Starting off first with the Chronoswis. 5 seconds face up, -8 seconds face down, and what's looking like -16, -17 seconds crown left. Watch is definitely still running good. And from what I can tell, the chronograph function is working great. Really snappy zeroing of the seconds hand. And then we've got the Frédérique Constant. -2, -3 seconds face up, +4 seconds face down, and dead zero crown left. Beautiful timepiece. Love the Worldtimer function. Excited to clean this up, get this ready for my friend, and also do a review on this. Thanks for watching.